Have you ever wondered how some people make traveling look so easy and stress-free? What if I told you that there are gadgets that can make your trip smoother, more organized, and way less stressful? Imagine having everything you need at your fingertips, from staying charged to staying connected, all while keeping your luggage in check. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 5 best travel gadgets that make life easier while you're on the go. These tech tools will save you time, space, and energy, so you can enjoy your travels without the usual hassles. Let's dive in and discover these must-have gadgets that will take your travel experience to the next level. 1. Travel Tech Organizer. First up, let's talk about the Travel Tech Organizer. For anyone who has ever faced the frustration of digging through a messy bag to find a charging cable, this gadget is a game changer. It's designed to keep all your essential tech accessories neatly organized, preventing that dreaded tangle of wires that always seems to happen at the worst possible moment. Imagine having everything from charging cables, earphones, and power banks to USB sticks and portable chargers all in one easily accessible place. No more searching through multiple compartments in your bag, and no more wasted time at the airport. The organizer's compact design makes it perfect for carrying around in any bag, whether it's a carry-on or a backpack, and it comes with a variety of slots to hold each item securely. It doesn't just keep things tidy, it also helps protect your tech. With padded compartments for fragile gadgets, you can rest assured that everything is safe and sound. Additionally, many travel tech organizers are water-resistant, which means your devices will be safe even if the weather isn't ideal. Whether it's your laptop charger, headphones, or even a portable speaker, this organizer ensures that every piece of tech is where it should be, ready to use at a moment's notice. What makes this accessory indispensable is how it turns a chaotic packing process into a streamlined routine. Organizing gadgets is often the last thing on our minds before a trip, but having a dedicated pouch or organizer can truly change the way you prepare. Plus, it adds a level of efficiency to your travels, especially when trying to quickly access your devices on the go. 2. Portable Power Bank. Next on the list is the portable power bank. If there's one thing that always seems to fail during travel, it's the battery life of our devices. Whether you're navigating through an airport, taking photos, or using maps during your travels, your device will inevitably run out of power when you least expect it. A portable power bank ensures you never have to face that dreaded 5% battery warning in the middle of your trip. This gadget is incredibly versatile, allowing you to charge multiple devices, such as your smartphone, tablet, or even your laptop, while you're on the go. Many of today's power banks offer quick charging capabilities, meaning you can juice up your devices in less time, which is especially handy when you're in a rush. With various capacities ranging from smaller, pocket-sized options for everyday charging to larger ones that can charge multiple devices at once, there's a power bank for every need. One of the best things about power banks is their portability. They're small enough to fit in a bag or even a pocket, meaning you'll always have access to power without the need to find an outlet. Imagine waiting for a flight and having your power bank within reach. This means no more hunting for an available charging station or relying on slow airport chargers. For long trips, especially when traveling between time zones, keeping your devices charged becomes a breeze with the added flexibility of a portable power bank. The ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously is also a huge bonus, especially for those who travel with a laptop, smartphone, camera, and tablet. Whether you're on a long-haul flight, sitting in a cafe, or exploring a new city, the portable power bank keeps you connected without interruption. 3. Noise-cancelling headphones. Travel can often be noisy and overwhelming, from the constant chatter in airports to the hum of airplane engines. That's where noise-cancelling headphones come into play. These headphones are designed to eliminate unwanted noise, creating a personal oasis of quiet wherever you go. Whether you're trying to get some rest on a long flight or simply want to focus while waiting for your luggage, these headphones are essential for a peaceful experience. The active noise cancellation technology inside the headphones works by emitting sound waves that counteract the surrounding noise, effectively blocking out unwanted sounds. Whether you're trying to sleep on a plane or tune out the background noise of busy streets, these headphones ensure that you can enjoy your surroundings without being distracted. They're perfect for those who value peace and focus during their travels. But it's not just about silence. Noise-cancelling headphones also provide premium sound quality. With deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, these headphones make your music, movies, and podcasts sound incredible. For those long hours on a plane or during layovers, the ability to lose yourself in your favorite audio content is priceless. Another great feature of many modern noise-cancelling headphones is the ability to switch between passive and active noise cancellation, depending on your needs. For instance, you can let some ambient noise in when you need to hear announcements or be more aware of your surroundings, then switch to full noise-cancelling mode for peace and quiet. With long battery life, these headphones are ready for the duration of your flight, making them a perfect travel companion. 4. Smart Luggage. Luggage is one of the most essential travel tools, but it's often overlooked. Smart luggage revolutionizes the way we think about our bags by adding intelligent features that improve organization, security, and convenience. Imagine having a suitcase that tracks itself, weighs itself, and even charges your devices as you move around. Sounds futuristic, right? But with smart luggage, that's exactly what's possible. Many smart luggage options come with built-in GPS tracking, which ensures that you can always locate your bag in case it gets lost or delayed. Some even provide real-time updates on your phone, so you can monitor your bag's location while you travel. Additionally, the built-in weight sensors alert you if your luggage is too heavy, helping you avoid excess baggage fees before you even check in. A standout feature of smart luggage is the USB charging port. Some models come with an integrated power bank, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, or any other device directly from the bag. No more frantically searching for a charging outlet at the airport or plugging your device into a public charger. With USB charging ports, you can keep your devices powered up without having to interrupt your journey. The most innovative smart luggage pieces even include biometric locks, which provide an added layer of security for your belongings. Whether you're traveling through busy airports or staying in hotels, having the option to lock and unlock your luggage with just your fingerprint gives you peace of mind knowing your possessions are safe. With smart luggage, traveling has never been more secure and efficient. 5. Universal Travel Adapter. The Universal Travel Adapter is a must-have for anyone traveling internationally. Different countries use different types of electrical outlets, and finding the right adapter can often be a hassle. With a Universal Travel Adapter, there's no need to carry many different plugs for different regions. You can use a single device to charge all your gadgets, no matter where you are. These adapters feature multiple plug options, so they work in nearly every country across the globe. Whether you're traveling through Europe, Asia, or South America, a universal adapter makes it easy to plug in and recharge your devices. With additional USB ports, you can charge more than one device at once, allowing you to keep everything powered without needing multiple adapters. One of the best aspects of universal adapters is their compact design. They're small enough to fit into a pocket or carry-on bag, making them easy to bring with you wherever you go. Plus, many modern models also have built-in surge protection, which helps safeguard your devices from power surges or electrical spikes. This added safety feature ensures that your smartphone, laptop, and camera remain safe from damage while traveling. For frequent travelers, a universal travel adapter is a lifesaver. It eliminates the need for multiple adapters and ensures you're always ready to charge your devices, whether you're staying in a hotel, an Airbnb, or even a remote village. A simple, efficient solution to charging anywhere in the world, the Universal Travel Adapter should be in every traveler's bag. And those are the 5 best travel gadgets that will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. From keeping your devices charged to staying organized, these gadgets are the perfect companions for your next journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, of course, hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new videos. Safe travels, and let these gadgets make your next trip the best one yet.